Hi, this is Tammy Frazier with IVS Computer Technology, and I'm bringing you part 2 of our Exploring My Content video tutorial series. In the last video, I showed you how to add objects directly into the My Content folder, so we have access to those objects anytime we have Smart Notebook software launched. You'll notice, however, once I start adding content, I have 284 items here that I have to search for. So if I'm looking for a specific graphic, I need to go through that picture folder and look through 60 different objects. So what I'm going to do instead is create an organization system using folders within My Content. So when I select that My Content folder, you'll see that I have subfolders that I can add my content into to retrieve my objects more easily. Here's some ideas on the right-hand side about what some of our teachers are using to organize their content with. I'd like to add a new folder here for classroom management, so what I'm going to do is select the My Content folder within the gallery. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see that little drop-down arrow. That's going to give us a menu. From that menu, we're going to select New Folder. We can name that folder to reflect what's going to be inside of it. And then we can drag our objects directly into those subfolders to make them easier to find. So in the gallery, I'm going to select My Content and choose the drop-down arrow to the right. And that first option is New Folder. In this case, I'm going to create a classroom management folder to put this timer in and any other objects I want to manage my classroom. Now, when I select my timer here, instead of dragging it into the My Content folder, I'm going to put it in the subfolder for classroom management by dragging it over and dropping it in. So now it's a little bit easier for me to locate those objects because instead of having to go through 90 different interactive and multimedia, I'm going to open up classroom management and find that timer down below. So hopefully you're able to create some folders and keep your content organized. Thank you and have a great day.